Spintex, Nigerian man allegedly beheads his girlfriend according to information picked up from Spintex, a suburb of Accra, the capital of Ghana. A Nigerian man has reportedly beheaded his girlfriend. For now,
Now, what from our youth nowadays? Me, I don't understand what they have for that country. For Nigeria guy, he just collect his girlfriend head from Ghana for ritual. For ritual. Why? Wetin be this? Wetin be this, my people? A Nigeria person, they say for Accra, they say remove the girl head. Say na neighbor even call police for him. And look the boy self. Now the boy wear black shirt so. Now small boy. Now small boy desperate to make money. Desperate to pass shortcut. They no wan work. They no wan. Wetin you go do for Ghana? Ghana and Nigeria no be the same for me. Ghana and Nigeria. Now Europe, you go say you come now, say you go receive help, or you go America or Australia or Canada. But as far as Africa countries concerned, wetin you go do for Ghana? Now you don't go fit make the money now. No be as they say Ghana be now, say it can't be now. You want use your girlfriend to make money. You just remove your girlfriend head. My people, this one shock me. Oh. I just dey vex. Because I first see one boy also. This the same Ghana, he still go there. As he go there, they say me he go bring him mama property come. Mama head, they want kill him mama. Now the pikin run. Now they throw the pikin. The pikin, in fact, it turned to man. This one no now life story. No be that one I read break come now. But this guy now, he just collect his girlfriend. Remember saying na person pikin when he collect his head so. And some of our guests, they don't want hustle. They don't want follow man when he don't get. Now man when he don't get. When you don't know the outcome of anything about it wet. As far as say they ride all those Hummer Jeep, if they buy you the latest car, you don't know anything about it wet. I think you don't cut your head come out. Now this one a legacy to many girls when never marry, follow man when they strong go. One day things go better for now. No, now I follow Yahoo. Now I follow everything. When as far as money they come out, person will come from Ghana now say you don't make money. You now not care where to make that money. So if they drive car, go park car. See, and I don't remove this girl head now. He don't remove this girl head. See, and now the guy that just they draw, they go so. They say from Accra, he remove a Nigeria girl head. I go live now, so let they speak Ghana. Those who they hear Ghana, those who they understand Ghana, una go understand what una people talk. But those who not they understand Ghana, this guy when wear black shirt so, he comot his girlfriend head for ritual. For ritual. Now see this same thing so many of our youths now just travel go Ghana. When they think as it can't be, no be as soon as take and so it be. Why not can go back home? Ghana and Nigeria be the same Africa, not be the same West Africa. Some go they chop shit, but this the same Ghana shit. Some go see chop shit. You just carry Percy Pikin, you just remove your head. My people, this one shatterlize me. I don't even know what to talk. I can't even read news because this one, in fact, from my head to toe, I shiver. Percy said, "Na my boyfriend. Now my boyfriend see the house where for cut the hair for Accra. Now my boyfriend now I follow and go there. So my people, may una be careful. If you be young girl, you come across this my video. Be careful." If you see man when they drive car, you don't know anything. Oh, the one where they use like the waka. No, na God that strong. I know say someone na God that strong think they will go live una, but God go reward you. No worry. Before you they say I do, man when you don't make money, try know the outcome of the work. Young guy like this, he just make money. He want, in fact, he want write the latest. He mostly social media. Now this one na the social media work. Because once they make small money now, they will go hang for Instagram. They go, in fact, they show money anyhow. They go hide for Instagram. That place, that particular social media had me to go. They will go hide for there. No, but no guess, no. You also they will follow them. May una collect sense, say. May una collect sense. Our young girls, may una collect sense. May her so rest in peace, my people. I will live una. May una enjoy the video. Those who they hear Ghana, I will live una. May una enjoy the video. Another one, see they come one Nigeria guy when you want use the papa to do money. 2, that one I don't do the video, but this one just let me I publish am. One woman when still collect the pikin, when still chop the pikin head, it's still there. Oh, I go bring am. Oh, they come, my people. This one shortalize me. Me I fair paste. May I so rest in peace. If they come live again, if they come live, you go follow man when they got that suffer strong. You go come follow one day. No be yahoo boy, because this boy now yahoo 419 ritual. Now be this one. I'll leave you now. Meet tonight in my next video. Bye.
Now, the details regarding the story are scanty, however, we shall bring you the latest as and when it drops. The recent killings in the country are becoming alarming. Be safe out there cause wicked people are just looking for an opportunity to strike.
Na me tin sem se na me ho a me ntigana for life as you sankofo we mu ma be gugane awudisem ene nkwasiasem ne ayakayaka sem ne awudisem ne krono sem ne chese look na Ghana fo ntimi nka sankofo we ngudi mu ma awudifo alatafo agigana afa emaso babie ni se nipa kono eho na maso chinchira maso yebeko. This is not the first time I yati salata ni akutwa Ghana ni tini. Na nsemu I'm said about 100 cedis or $100 100 200 cedis and yet dollars cry. It is salata ni bi so that be opiska kutu biano. Nti ni girlfriend we Ghana ni wakutwa niti. Na nsemu so Ghana ni baby ono so akofa alata ni mpra enche bia busumi na otwumi nsa ne busumi asem na meke. Ah no so I'm said about alata ni bi hu se Ghana ni ne alatani girlfriend alatani no organ any girlfriend em so hu say Ghana ni ba ni Ghana ni ye free enti no alatani akọ no pintoa a wo ku no e di asem kra na ekoso Ghana nkwasi asem Ghana fo ntimi nkodi 1 second enkodi 1 second e wo alata no no necessary Ghana fo ama alata fo kwa no moye e di entia we ni asem da bia meke Nemre ne kono edi ansam na de bagane edi ansam na de bagane Ghana for mo kasa ankofo ehun semide medikan achechire mu de nti omugu Ghana agreement ni no manoma champion tab 75 ekoye ya momuti omabigu Ghana anti enyem rakwanso emwa Ghana 250 million ala tani ankasa madam fu ala tafom gu Ghana 80% so mo ye 100 mu 80 boni no mo di Ghana ho busu Ghana mo te mo nka ho hwe se bi mi ame wa buruchira akra me hu sa de we a me ka ho asem dendende mo Ghana de na mo yi ebetumi ato obi awo eni mo busuafo eni obi a mi ame tie me so me ka ho ne Ghana fo mo ye de am mo alatafo agi Ghana man yafa eni ewudisem ne enkwasiasem ne abotisem ne mentiase
aye biobsafo abrantie yi etwaniti e de free sokura watwetire no e de free body no eso agese owieye no odi tire no e de akwakosie o baabi e na body no odi mattress enkito yi bi e de akyekyere hu nyina na owie wape e de to bi e de apetepete e dan na chi ne dan ni side na se be yankofo entie na sa e Nigeria ni abrantie ankasa sa ni suban enye dada waware kwa wo Ghana ha na ma kyese ni suban ti yapam no e de free efie a wo motim na eno na kyese sofu bi
wakuno watwa niti watene tete kunana no na nka yesabi kurontwe so mantwe ani new site na bachona eba ne sai
yo masomo ewa bachona hanomo
kwa sam no so straight my nim si wasom
yo bacho no pay be 11 am and ayenya ntie say abrantie bia oye alatani anase Nigeria ni wekom abaiwa bi eto demo na wetwaneti efiso na sen say yadwuma kohwe anase kotibe kanti yetromika ekopie mu ewo hormo na ekopie mu no by time ekopie mu na police for edi abrantie ni ekodeda na ihwemu kakra bi ayeye wo hormo no kyerese anase timamofo information kakra mo de mu aye ni kyerese ebinmu ehuomu eni danajo bese 910 mu edeko omu ye mema bese miensa obaba ko na mema ni nyina ehya atade tuntum na ekyire ye okay
afa kaka ho ne yanko
aha ente yato anamoko sen na se no ya ho se na abaiwa na tade egu abonten na hwene nso so egu abonten a moja ayemu ni nyina na inside the police for agi hon nyina afa omo man kwan se some for ye bebo ewura won mo kopem say forensic exam officers eba ya omeya nhwehwemo eche na ye hu say omo ne abranche na wakum nipa no or ye aletani na or 35 years of age oba no omo afa ne din antudwa omo ne ba no makata ne nim omo dada de fe na okotre be bia odi abaiwa no etire ni wakum abaiwa bi eto dem na watwa ne ti efriso ya ho se na abaiwa na tade egu abonten
Titu and Emma. As
now everybody go to breakfast.